friends! Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about writing numbers and counting. Now, what we're going to do in the video is for my friends who are just learning, and for my friends who need more of a challenge, who want to write a lot of numbers or count really high. I have some worksheets in the file that I sent to your parents that you can print out, and I'll tell you about those after we're done with this. But first, as you can see, I have a lot of black dots on my board, and we are going to count them and write the number. You ready? Remember to touch each dot as you count it. So let's do the first one. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we have it. Now remember, when you are counting objects, counting beads, counting anything really, it helps to touch each one as you count it to make sure you're not accidentally skipping one. It's what I do, and it helps me make sure I'm on track. Now, for my friends who want to practice at home, I have a lot of different worksheets for you to try. Now, if you would like to do your number writing, because numbers can be difficult to form, I have this worksheet that is tracing the numbers. And then remember, try to write it after on your own. Now, for my friends who want to count, I have this counting worksheet that's 1 through 5. And in each square, you can put a sticker or a piece of paper you've cut out, but you fill the squares and count as you put them below the number that they belong to. So how many stickers would I need to get in this row? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now this next counting worksheet is a little more difficult, but it's also a lot of fun. It's also number writing. As you can see, our numbers are on this side, and then there's a blank square, and there's 2 rows of dots. And what we do with this worksheet is we trace the number, then we write the number in the box next to it, and then we color in however many dots that number represents. Okay? Now, in the file that I sent your parents, there's an example. I already filled it out. So you can see I traced, and then I wrote, and then I filled in that many dots. And it goes all the way up to 10. Can you see that? Now for my friends who want more of a challenge, because I know some of my friends can write all the way up to 100, and some of my friends can write past 100. There in the file is writing by tens, and it's a worksheet, a paper, that's just a row of squares, and it goes from 1 to 10, and then 11 to 20, and you can go all the way to 100, or you can go past 100, but it's writing numbers by 10. And that is a really fun one, because then you can turn it into a big book of all the numbers that you can write. And that's a really fun way to practice. Now, also in the file is a 100 chart that you can use as a guide to practice writing your numbers. That goes from 1 to 100. All right, my friends, I'm excited to see how much counting you can do today. And I can't wait to see your pictures and your work. I'll see you later. Bye.